Idaho-based Albertsons earlier this year announced it was considering strategic options. A third of the company's stock is owned by private equity firm Cerberus Capital Management. Kroger ranked second in grocery market share in the first quarter of this year, with Albertsons in fourth place, both well behind market leader Walmart. Albertsons bought Safeway in 2014 for $9.4 billion. Stock market under some pressure today after the consumer price index for September came in stronger than expected. So market losses are well off session lows. Dow only down by 90 points. It was down over 500 in the early going. NASDAQ lower by 160 points. S&P down by 29. On the Money Watch, Jason Brooks, KCBS.
There's a lifetime of beautiful outdoor living waiting for you at Dolan's. It's fiber-on decking for easy living. Why choose this durable composite? There's an amazing choice of colors. The rich look of multi-chromatic exotic hardwood. It resists splintering, rotting, and cracking with really low maintenance. See the colors and learn more at DolanLumber.com. See the real fiber-on at Dolan's Home Improvement Centers.
San Francisco Opera is celebrating 100 years of producing thrilling opera in the Bay Area. In honor of this centennial, the Dolby family is offering $10 tickets in prime seating sections to anyone with a Bay Area zip code who hasn't attended the opera in the past 3 years. San Francisco Opera